Hello everyone, welcome to this unboxing video. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Spirit Lee. I am on a journey to become an architect, but I also have a big passion for stationery, art supplies and bullet journaling, which is something that I'm relating back to architecture, as architects use a lot of tools in order to create buildings, and one of those being stationery and art supplies. This unboxing video is from Ohh Dear. It's one of their Illustrated for Life mystery boxes. It's actually their large one, which at the moment they're half price. So I just thought I'd give it a whirl because I enjoy their Paper Gang monthly subscription boxes. I was on their website anyway to buy a gift for somebody, and these popped up, and I was like, let's give it a whirl and let's see what's in there. So without further ado, let's crack it open. Lots of paper packaging. Crunchy noises straight away. I've seen these online. Everybody says Le Pen. These are like the best pens ever. Don't know if it will focus if I'm in frame or what, I don't know. There we go, I think that's right. That's what it's like. I always have handy pens, but to me it just looks like a fine liner pen. But I need some paper. I need some paper to try these things out. Yeah, I've got a box fill. Okay, so let's put that to one side and we'll try them out. A little bit cheeky. Well, not cheeky, but you know. I'm assuming this is just a standard HB pencil, which is got a little note on the side saying on point. Yes, jokes in jaw. And we've got a little notepad, I think. It's a hard back cover. Oh, and it has pen notes. I was expecting it to be lined. Nice hard back. Oh, and it's got the elasticated things so you can keep it. Sort of reminds me of a very stylish sort of policeman's old notebook. But yeah. What's the paper like? The paper's incredibly smooth. I'd say it's like printer paper thickness. UK printer paper, that is. I know in the States you get very strange papers for printers, but anyway. Yeah, that's quite nice. Shall we try the pen on it? That might work. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it's quite a nice, smooth running pen, but like I say, it's as an architect I use 100 fine liners, so it just feels exactly like that. And I would say it's probably a 0.3 size, maybe a 0.2. Yeah, it seems to flow really well. So just a great little Le Pen. So yeah, I'm assuming the pencil is just a pencil, so I'm not going to sharpen it just yet. Ooh, sticky notes. 100 sheets, jobs slightly less dull when I can read. So yeah, we always like sticky notes, they go everywhere. Makes a change from the usual yellow typical post-it notes that I use. Oh, this drew my eye. Game of Scones. And this is a coaster. It's actually really nice. Wow. I'm actually quite impressed by this because I've had some coasters and they've just been like cardboard, but this is, it's really good actually. It's cork backing, and then I can't work out what I want to say like melamine, like what you get on top of like countertops and kitchen tops. So yeah, but I really like the design. Does it say The artwork's by Alex Wilmore. So I'm assuming he'll have more stuff on Ohh Dear. But yeah, I really like that Game of Scones. What do we have next? Ooh, some greeting cards. Ooh, some Wild Buffalo greeting cards. 100% recycled card. These are by Sandra Dykerman. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I'll put in the editing. I'll put the name on the screen. But yeah, there's 2 of these. I'm assuming the same, and then I'm assuming they're blank inside. But I really like this type of illustration. See, for me, I go for a lot of highly detailed stuff, but then I also like really simple stuff as well. So I think that's one of the reasons why I like this brand, is just they have such an immense range of stuff. So yeah, I like those. You should text him. Now, I've seen this online, and it's just a postcard with "you should text him" with a wine glass. I'm assuming when you're drunk, you should text him. Maybe not. I always find it's better not to when you're drunk, but yeah. Just a silly postcard, which, I don't know, I could find some use for this somewhere. Moving on, what do we got? So Bananas, Hello Lucky. 4 sticker sheets to brighten up your day. How are these stickers? Okay, I'm gonna have to open these up because I'm thinking of making my own sticker sheets. I'm just working out the process of that and getting hold of a circuit or a cricket or whatever, however people pronounce them. And I've had some sticker sheets from people off Etsy and things like this, but they're all like different types of paper, different thicknesses, different finishes. So yeah, actually, ooh. Yep, so this is really nice quality. There's like a finish to it, but I'd say it's definitely a matte finish, but it does have a very silky smooth feel to the texture. And they're the crazy little fruit gang. But yeah, I think they're silly, fun little silly stickers. So yeah, I quite like them. It says 4 sticker sheets to brighten up your day. So I'm guessing all the sticker sheets are the same as this one. Hopefully that's been in focus. Yes, it is. Put those to one side. Here's another greetings card. I find you very attractive. Says a magnet. Magnetic attraction. So yeah, I'm assuming it's the typical Ohh Dear recycled envelope with the embossing on the back. Let's open it so I can show you, because I know some people, they won't have ever had Ohh Dear stuff. So let's just open it up. So it's a typical blank card, which I think is great, because whoever really reads the printed stuff, you just tend to read the hand-printed message. Well, I do anyway. Unless someone puts like quotation marks around the printed message, so then you actually know they really have read the message and actually meaning well, I think they're meaning what they bought. But yep, there's the typical Ohh Dear envelope, which can we get a little bit light on the embossing or debossing, depending on whichever way it is. But yeah, I always like greeting cards, always. Ooh, Pug-tato. Again, another greetings card. Pug-tato. I get it. I find it funny, but I'm like running through my head like, who could I send this to? Who's the one that's crazy on pugs? But yeah, a fantastic design again. I keep forgetting. Sophie Corrigan. Again, I'll put the name on screen if I pronounce it wrong, and I'm sorry if I have. Washi tape. Oh, I already have some of this washi tape, but I love this washi tape. Is the other one open before I open this one? Is it? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So rather than open that one, this is exactly the same washi tape. Showed on screen, might be now. I think this came out like August of 2018 in their Paper Gang box. And it's like a really illustrated... Is that not focusing? Is it not focusing? I'm so bad at this. Go. Might help if I actually get my angles. So is that better? Stick. Right, where are we going? Is that it? Yeah. I really like this type of illustration, and woodland themes I love anyway. So I actually got that box for free because they have this offer, which I will show you wherever it's gone. It's basically you buy one Paper Gang box and you get another one for free. And when I started Paper Gang, that's what I did, and I got the August 2018 box for free, and I absolutely love that box because the theme on it is fantastic. So I think they've still got some of the supplies online, so you can check those out. Anyway, carrying on with the box instead of going off on tangents. Oh, we've got a notebook. This is what when I saw it out my throat. This is a special edition that Ohh Dear did with Urban Outfitters. I don't know if you can zoom, please. Thank you. Zoom, not zoom. Focus. I need to focus. My brain's all over the place. Anyway, but yeah, it's a very fabric, and it's a flexible cover, but it's quite hard as well. And then it's just filled with lime paper and and it says year, month and day. So you could use this as a journal, just a notebook or anything. And then it's got one of these things that I always forget the damn name of, but a page rememberer to sharply leave it at that. But yeah, it's a fantastic little notebook. They're all the same. It's got year, a month in that corner as well as that side. So yeah, it's always good to have notebooks, especially for me at the moment because I'm writing a paper at the moment, so I'm doing a lot of research, and I know you can do it all digitally, and I've got an iPad where I can write notes and type things up straight away, but it's just, I don't know, I like having pen to paper still. Okay, moving on. Another to-do list. I've already used the last to-do, well, I've not used it all, but I've used quite a few of the pages, so I've already started getting in the habit of to-do lists. I really like this one. Cute little illustration. And I've forgotten the name of those. It's a sloth, I think, sloth. I'm going to get crucified, but anyway. It's by Gemma Cornell, and it's just a standard pad of to do later, which is procrastination in its best. And then we've got, what is this? Oh, gift wrapping paper. I really like the simpleness of this illustrations. It's almost, yeah, it is like a travel theme. So you've got your planes, Statue of Liberty, Taj Mahal, and then a random cat. I don't know what's the deal with the cat, but and a compass, travel bag, whales, basically everything you'd see on your travels. But yeah, I like that. I suppose that's what I could wrap a gift up for somebody that's going away for a while. So yeah, I like that. And then we have a sketchbook. Is this the same? Nope, slightly different marble effect. But yeah, just a plain papered sketchbook, but it's not like super thick paper, so you won't be able to do like watercolors and things like that on it. Again, I'd say it's like printer paper, but good quality printer paper, not the really see-through-y stuff. But yeah, is that it? Is that it? That's it all gone. So, what do I think? These boxes are £50 if you bought them at full price. And they say that the items are worth more than all of that, which I think they would do if I sit down and work them all out. But the problem is that I find with Ohh Dear is that they price the items themselves, and I find that they're too expensive for some items. And then other items are really reasonable, so it's sort of like, I don't know. It's hard to explain, because I think they're a really good brand, and I love the fact that they give artists a chance to sort of shine, because unless you're researching for a particular type of artist, you won't come across many of these, and you know, they're fantastic. So like I say, it gives artists and designers a platform to shout from. So I love that whole aspect of it. But I think they need to sit back and think about their prices a little bit. But I don't know, it's a good range of stuff, and a lot of it I will definitely use. So I'm actually very pleased with this mystery box, because I've seen a few online where they're like not particularly happy. But yeah, I'm happy with this. If you've got some spare cash, I suggest doing one. Just for the, I don't know about you, but I get satisfied because I'm happy with this, but I obviously wouldn't be satisfied if, well actually no, I still would be satisfied of sorting out my curiosity, satisfying my curiosity. Because even if I didn't like the stuff, then I'd be like, well, at least now I know what's in the mystery box. So, yeah. The other thing with this box is this orange squiggly one, which is like shoebox size. Online it says the contents were updated for 2019, so I know there's been a lot of videos from like 2017 and 18, so if you've had one in the past and you've not been happy, then perhaps me showing you this might spur you on to get another one. But yeah, this video is not sponsored by them in any shape or form. It was just purely my own curiosity to see what's in the box. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and tell me your own thoughts and opinions on Ohh Dear / Paper Gang. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye!